So I have one of the partners that I work with, and her name is Ifa Kelly. She runs a practice called Kelly Accountants. They're based in Ireland. They were just before COVID, but she had her people working, coming to the office, and they were struggling. It was taking them quite a long time to do most of the jobs, and she was struggling to manage the practice. Then we came along, introduced her to Zero, and showed her how she can work from home. It's on the cloud, so anyone can just log in from anywhere. And fortunately, she was able to start doing that before COVID started. And when COVID started, everyone from our office was just working from home and they were able to continue with their day to day work. They actually managed to close down the office because everyone's now working from home and just continue that way. And when we spoke to her, what she said was in less than 3 years, we are a different firm because of the way they work with Zero. They had one client that used to take them 3 days to do the management accounts for, but because of the reporting that can be done in Zero, those management accounts production went from 3 days to just over half a day for her to produce all of that, just posting the transactions, HubDoc, automating the bank reconciliation, and so many other things that can be done through Zero. It's dropped quite significantly. So again, to reap all of the benefits from Zero, you have to look at it as a platform with all of these softwares, HubDoc, Practice Manager, Work Papers. And if you use them all together, you can definitely improve on your productivity and profitability as a business. As accountants, I'll just touch on this slide. That will be one of the, I think it's the penultimate one. As accountants, our role is to take different sources of data, all these businesses producing different documents. And what accounting is taking that information, formatting it in a timely manner, and producing a single output. And that single output is a VAT return, a corporation tax return, or corporation or year-end accounts. All the things that we produce, they're all in in the same format. And what Zero can do for you is we have an end-to-end solution that you can actually use to do all of that. So you can use your HubDoc for your document management. We have Swift CSV. Swift CSV is a company that converts bank statements into a CSV format ready for you to import directly into Zero. We have the data migration team. So the data migration team, one of the teams I used to work in before I became a consultant, and they help you with taking information from any software and entering your opening balances into Zero. Then there's Island Bank, which will automatically feed your bank transactions directly into Zero. Then also your projects and expenses apps that can be used through Zero. Then for processing all of this information, you have Zero itself, the main accounting software. Now you can also use that alongside with Zero work papers and also with Zero report templates, which is part of our reporting tools, part of our reporting tool package, sorry. Then your single consistent output will be your VAT, your year-end accounts, your corporation tax, and your management reports. And to manage all of this, you can then use your Zero Practice Manager and view exactly the status of each and every job, and also be able to invoice your clients at the end of the job. And if you're invoicing on time, you can invoice them for the right amount that you actually spent on the job rather than just thinking of a number from top of your head.